In this tutorial we will see how to create a report using the report wizard. This is our table. We have some data inside this table. We will try to create a report for this data. Now again you click the create tab. Under the reports, the first option you have here, it's report. Now if you have multiple tables here, one of them should be selected for which you want to create the report. So in our case we have one table, this is selected. I will come and click this, the first option, report. Now you can see it immediately created the report. You can see everything is here. This is the layout view and this is our report view. So this is one way of creating the report. Another method, we go to the create tab. Here you find report wizard. We click this. Now from here we can select tables and queries. In our case we have only one table and this is all the data. Now we can select the fields that we want to display on our report, or we can select all of them and then you click next. Here it gives you the option of grouping these values. Now suppose I can group them on the basis of city. Now it will have a group as city on top and all those records that belong to this city will be displayed after that. So let us just try this one. Then you click next. Here you can sort them according to, let's say first name, or let's say job, and it gives you the option of ascending or descending. Then you click next. Here it gives you the option of the layout, how the layout should look. So we can choose anyone. Let's choose the first one, and then again the orientation of the page. Then you click next. Here it gives you the option of naming the report and you click finish. Okay, now if you see here, these are grouped according to city. Now all the records under Chicago are displayed here, and now they are sorted according to the job. You can see all purchasing managers are shown first, then the sales manager, and then vice president, and like that you can see for the rest of the records. So this is how you can create a report.